All right, if you have a piece of footage and you drag your footage to your timeline and you want to speed ramp this footage, first of all, if we use R to change our speed to 13 and enter, then drag our clip to the length we want and we play through, you notice our footage is not playing smooth. And even when we go to our playback and add our render cache to smart, still we experience the same thing. Okay, so if we decide to use alternative method and reset this back to 100 the way it was, enter our original clip, and we now use the speed ramping tool to change our speed to maybe 25% or any length or any value that you want. You can alternatively do this by hovering your mouse at the top end part of your clip and drag either right, you drag right to reduce the speed of your clip, you drag left to increase the speed of your clip. So I'm going to drag right to reduce the speed to something 14 or maybe 13. So these are, let's say this is, let me go to 13, this is 13. So if I play through while on 13, you see my clip has this chunky look, okay? So I'm going to add speed points. That is, for me, I'm going to add speed points if I want to make this to look cinematic. But before I add the speed point, let me go over and tell you what you need to do to make this chunky speed ramping to be so smooth. The effect, what is happening here is because we don't have a huge number of frames in this clip, okay? So all you have to do is to go over to the inspector tab and turn on the RETIME and scaling. Click on it to get a drop down, then go to project settings, that's the RETIME process, and change it to optical flow. Go to the motion estimation and change the motion estimation to, depending on your system's GPU, okay, the best you can leave it on is enhanced beta, but if your GPU is powerful enough, you can go for AI speed warp beta. So I'm going to use enhanced beta here, okay, and I'm going to leave my clip for it to be rendered before I play back so that I can get a smooth flow, okay? So I want my clip to render, I want the render cache to render my clip so that I can play back, all right? So our clip has rendered. Let's play through and see the difference. You can see how smooth it is. You can watch the waves. You see how smooth it's going, how smooth it is. It's because we added this optical flow. That is why we have this smooth play. That's why we have this smooth speed ramp. This is actually good when you have, it's advisable to use this when you have a clip that is so small that the clip is small that you can't get enough frames in the clip. You apply optical flow through the RETIME and scaling when you use speed ramp. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the like button for this video to be recommended to people, and also you can share this video, okay? Thumbs up, very important.